Hi everyone, welcome to another Inventora tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to customize supply orders, batches, and sales numbers. On your left sidebar, click on your business name and go to settings. Scroll down to the bottom and you will see numbering. There you're going to be able to customize the supply order number, the batch number, and the sale number. Once you customize the numbers, you're gonna click save, and we're gonna save those changes for you. On your left sidebar, if you go to purchases and select your supply orders, once you receive a new supply order, you're going to see that the order number is the one that you just added. And also for your sales, once you add a new sale, the number is going to be the one that you just customized. This is how you can customize supply orders, batches, and sales numbers in Inventora.